All right, let's break down everything you need to know about aluminum slat fencing. So, you're looking for a fence that ticks all the boxes, right? Let's dive in. Yeah, it's that sleek, modern look you've probably seen popping up everywhere. So, what really makes this fencing stand out from the pack?
Well, for starters, it's built tough for Aussie conditions. Sun, rain, wind, you name it.
Okay, so why should you actually choose it? Let's get into the main benefits. When you put it next to wood, the difference is huge. Think long-term durability, not constant work. And the perks don't stop there. It's also eco-friendly, fire-safe, and pests absolutely hate it. Now for the fun part. You can totally customize the look to fit your own style. And believe it or not, this one choice, horizontal or vertical, completely changes the vibe. These are the standard specs, and they're what make it so strong and versatile. You've got a ton of color options, and they're all powder-coated to resist fading. Okay, so how does it all get put together? Let's walk through the install. Professionals follow this exact process to make sure it looks great and lasts for years. You might be thinking about doing it yourself, but here's why a pro is a smart move. With a pro, you get perfect alignment, it's way faster, and you get a warranty. I love this quote. It just nails it. It looks fantastic, and it actually works. So to wrap it all up, this stuff is durable, stylish, and built to last. So does your home's first impression measure up? It's definitely something to think about.